Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hands. This is a countertop stylings, the convection ovens. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit's length is about like a 23 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 21.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 20 inches. So as we can see, the units have all the operation information at the front. So we have the timers and with the indicator lights and the power switch, and also having the heating temperatures, the adjuster right here, and the indicator lights here. And also the units will give you a steam functions buttons right here. They have a handlebars at the front. With the front, it's covered by double layer glass. And when we open it, we can see they come with a full shelving racks inside, and for each of those you can slide it out, and they give you the. Let me give you the dimensions for these racks. This rack will be 18 inches wide and 13 inches deep, and for this unit, entirely height about like 14 inches. When we're looking at the inside, we can see they do having the heating elements on top of it, and they have a ventilation fan at the behind of the units, and also they do have a small lights at the back. So when we also look in the behind of the units, the manufacturers offer you a 220 plugs. This is commercial stylings, and when we look in the bottoms, they do have the ETL sanitation stickers right here. And they have the power informations using the 208 powers. And at the bottoms, we also have a water injector connections. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.